I'm Justus Marnin, an electrician from Golden Rule. Let's kick things off by understanding why half your kitchen might have gone dark. Here are some possibilities. Tripped circuit breaker. A tripped circuit breaker is a common culprit. It can cut power to specific areas in your kitchen. Don't forget to check the breaker panel. Faulty outlets or wiring. Sometimes a single outlet or wiring section may have issues. This could be due to wear, loose connections, or even unexpected guests. Yes, rodents. GFCI Outlet Trouble. Kitchens often have ground fault circuit interrupter outlets. If one of these outlets trips, it can affect power in other parts of your kitchen. Now, here's where it gets intriguing. If no breaker seems to be tripped, but half of your house is powerless, consider multi-wire branch circuit issues. Some homes have multi-wire branch circuits in the kitchen. Problems on one side of the circuit can affect the other side. Internal breaker problems. Breakers can sometimes fail internally, making it challenging to spot a tripped one. In such cases, it's best to call the pros. Partial power loss can extend beyond the kitchen, affecting various areas. Causes might include overloaded circuits. When overloading a circuit with too many devices, it can lead to partial power loss as a safety precaution. Wiring woes. Aging or damaging wire in your home can also be a culprit. Promptly address any faulty wiring with professional help. If half of your kitchen outlets have thrown in the towel, here's what you can do. Check GFCI outlets. Check for GFCI outlets and reset them if they tripped. They might be protecting multiple outlets. Inspect wiring. If the issues persist, inspect the wiring for damage or loose connections. And remember, it's okay to call an electrician for help. In conclusion, kitchen power mysteries are solvable. If you're stumped or unsure about your electrical system, don't hesitate to reach out to your professional electricians at Golden Rule. From the heart of your home to the heart of ours, we're here to ensure your kitchen shines brightly. If you have any electrical concerns, remember, we've got the power to help. Stay safe and let's brighten up your kitchen together.